1.1 meters.
All right, that's the first time videoing someone else. All right, let me get back a bit. It's my first time videoing someone else, so bear with me. Flies good.
Yeah, it's a nice steady flyer. I like this one.
I bet you.
50% at this time.
They flies just the same as the T-28. It's over there somewhere. Oh, there it is.
Can't see my orientation.
You're coming across your from.
Okay, there we go. I got it back. Jesus. Too high. I lost it there.
Yeah, I keep losing. I'm trying to watch on this little itty bitty screen. Now I know why I use a hat cam. You're doing good for a drone guy. How many flights are you on this now?
Third.
This is third? That's pretty good then.
Yeah, the legs and hands still are shaking like crazy, but
Tom, if you got the T-28, you'd have no problem with it at all. And they make a brand new version of that T-28. It's yellow and it has safe.
yeah,
He's running no safe.
at all.
Yeah, well, that's like the T-28 I have. I was thinking for you. And these park zone planes, they all fly amazing.
Yeah, this is all stock 3S stock prop. I was actually going to change the prop before today, but I didn't yet. So it's a 9x6 prop, 5 blade.
The only thing I would suggest is you fly higher.
I lose my orientation.
You just do like your figure 8 or oval and fly higher so you're a couple mistakes high. Then you can get braver up higher, right?
He's done.
And you should fly with the sun to your back. I always do that too.
What, we should be back there further and flying this way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because that way you're not going to fly into the sun and lose it, right? Oh, speaking of losing
barrel rolls. The only thing he hasn't done with it yet is a loop.
Loops are easy. Just get height. Just get some height.
He's still a little nervous with it.
A loop is easier than a roll because rolls drop out. Loops don't. A knife edge is just put on its side and use your rudder. I'm just guessing at where this plane is at this point. I figure if I aim the phone that way, I should get it.
Coming in.
Well, that was a good landing.
Not bad at all.